You can usually cancel a Klover membership directly from the app or through the subscription service you originally used to sign up, depending on how your membership was purchased. By the end of this video, you'll know how to cancel your Klover membership, what to check before you cancel, and what to do if the cancellation doesn't go through. If you want to cancel your Klover membership, start by opening the Klover app and signing in to your account. Go to your profile account or membership section and look for the subscription or membership settings. If a cancellation option is available there, follow the on-screen instructions until you receive a confirmation. If you subscribe through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store instead of directly through Klover, you'll need to manage the subscription through the same platform. Open your device's subscription settings. Locate your Klover subscription and follow the cancellation steps. Simply deleting the app from your phone does not cancel an active subscription. Before confirming the cancellation, review any information shown about your membership status. If you have an active cash advance or another feature connected to your membership, make sure you understand how cancellation may affect your account. Reading the details first helps you avoid unexpected changes after your subscription ends. After submitting the cancellation request, check for a confirmation message or email. Keeping a copy of that confirmation is useful if you need to verify later that your membership was successfully canceled. If you don't see a cancellation option, update the Klover app to the latest version and sign in again. An outdated app or temporary account issue can sometimes prevent membership settings from displaying correctly. Also confirm that you're signed into the same account that holds the active subscription. If you're still being charged after canceling, first verify that the subscription is no longer active in your app store or within the Klover app, depending on where you subscribe. If the membership still appears active or the charge continues unexpectedly, contact Klover support with your account email, the date you requested cancellation, and any confirmation screenshots you save. To recap, cancel your Klover membership from the app if you subscribe directly, or through your device's subscription settings if you join through Apple or Google Play. Always wait for a cancellation confirmation and keep a record of it until you're sure the membership has ended. If this guide helped you cancel your Klover membership, like the video and subscribe for more Klover tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and app guides.